Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Lego Invisible Hand Star Wars build from the 25th anniversary or 25 years of Lego Star Wars. Anyway, that's freaking pet hair. It's everywhere. If I can get this book open, we'll get started. Okay. So, I believe we stopped off here. We'll go ahead and get the steps shown and we can get started. So we need this, one of these long pieces there. And another long one on the other side. We need two flat, kind of like that, but flat. Okay, I was about to say, am I blind? Okay. And we need one of these. Okay. Okay, so now I need two 1x3 black pieces to go on the whites. And now it goes on top of here. Here. Like this, I think. Yep. There we go. Kind of have our hanger built. Sort of. Okay. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay. We need a 2x4 dark piece. And more of these white step pieces. Okay, and now I can put that to the side and start a different build. Well, a different part of the build. Just like that, and like that. And we need another one of those. There. Need a 1x2 and a semicircle 1x2 to go there. Okay, on to the next page. I don't know which light I had. I think it was that one. My bad. I don't think it was. Maybe that, I don't know. I don't remember. But anyway, there's that page. And that. Okay, so we have these things that go on there. Little gray slope piece. And another one of those little studs. I need to cut my nails. I didn't realize how long they were. And I'm building up here. My bad. Yeah, angle this up a little bit. Okay, and now we have a skate piece. It goes on top of that. Okay. And this just hangs off the back over the engines. Like that. Okay. Now these go... Did I forget to do something? I think I forgot to do something. Forgot to do that. Okay. And now these really long pieces go... What the heck? Did that just fall off or did it... I don't know. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now on to the next page. Looks like we're putting some 1x1 pieces on. And the next page. Okay, so it's gray, blue, gray, blue. It's dark gray, right? Yep. There's that done. Now this goes in front of these little stud. Or are they studs? I don't really know what they are, what they're called. They're kind of like studs, but they're not. Or they might be. Okay. Okay, so now we need this piece here and a 1x2 on there, and a little mound piece. That goes there. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And that. So we need two 1x2s, two of these stud looking pieces, another 1x2, two more of those studs, another 1x2, and a yellow 1x2, or a clear one. Now the next step is getting that there. What? Okay. That goes there, and a 1x2 goes on the yellow. All right, so the next step, you're basically building on this. And these two 1x2s go on it. And then a yellow goes on those. And this little slotted ramp looking piece. And it goes here. Okay. There is our invisible hand so far. It's kind of visible. Okay, we just have 2 more steps, and then we're going to be opening bag number 2. But there are those 2 steps. It just goes there. Oh, it goes up here. I was like, where does that even go? You know, maybe it does break apart. Because this looks like something connects the 2 pieces together. But I don't know. We'll get there when we get there. Okay, so now we need that there. And this one here. Okay, we are done with bag number 1. Let's go ahead and move these pieces kind of out of the way. We need to keep them close though, because we'll be giving this set to cousin after we're done. I'm gonna get bag number 2 opened. Move that over. That is a lot of little pieces. Okay. Starting off. And there's the next page. Or set of steps. Okay. So we have this. Flip it over like this. We need a stud here. If we're looking at it like this, it goes here. Okay. Now starting on a separate piece of the ship. And a black L. Well, not a black L, but gray L. Darker L. Okay. On to the next page. Sorry, didn't mean to bump the camera there. There's that. Feel free to pause it if you need to. And then we need another one of those pieces. Perfect. There we go. Is it this? I think so. Yep. There we go. Now we need three blues and 2 grays. 1, 2, 3, and they're dark grays. It's a good thing I looked before I put that on. Okay. Now we need to turn it around and put one of these at the end. Okay. Now I basically line this up and snap it in. Just like that. Okay, on to the next page. And I think this might be for the other side. that this? No. Yep. I need one of these to snap in there. And another one goes on top of that. Wait, what? Okay, hang on. Let me figure this out. That goes there, and that goes there. Okay. That made me think harder than I should have had to. But anyway, we're here. And we need this piece on top of that, and a black 1x3 there. Okay. I need a darker gray, the darker gray stud on the end. That there, and a smaller ramp piece over here. Like that, and that goes here, I think. Okay, perfect. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay. So now we need one of these circular pieces with an L. Okay, and then a blue 1x2 goes on there. Okay. Wait, does that go here? I believe so. Yeah, we can. I hope. Okay, so this step we need to do 3 times. So we need one of these. Well, we're going to need 3 of these, but you take this. Then you put 2 of these in the bottom. And it snaps in there. Okay, just need to do that 2 more times. And try not to drop the pieces. Okay. And then 4 gray little ramp looking pieces go here. And is that it? Do I have... Okay. I am going to end the video there. So if you enjoyed and want to see more of the Invisible Hand be built, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.